grass, they put on their favorite gold watch, they kiss their wife goodbye, and then they head out the door for a fun day of eating us and shitting themselves. Why the hell are these guys wasting their time with this shit? Hope you got all that, O'Brien.
Oh my god,
Okay,
go
I just
away.
gotta get the hell out of here.
What you told? Oh shit.
O'Brien, you there?
Alright, so
O'Brien.
basically where where the snow came in and did the whitey stuff, it messed up the game's processing or something. So therefore it can't properly process the snow and the houses.
It was a woman, and no, I didn't catch her name.
Okay, I finished the mission, so I'm gonna pause menu. Gotta restart it to see if this works. Excuse me. Actually, I'm gonna go take a washroom break. Fuck's sakes.
Mic off. Mic on.
Okay, I'm back. Of course my fucking door won't close properly. Fuck's sakes. Why is it so cold in my room? Oh my god, it processed even worse. For fuck's sakes.
Hey, Ricky, did you send some men to go out and get him?
Yeah, he's a lot more cooperative.
How am I gonna get gas? Okay, I can just...
Evidently, our guys
I
got
can
to
just
him
stop
before,
in
so
into that
they
town.
offered to leave him where he was if he didn't tell him where the seats were.
So weird.
Oh
Yeah,
my god,
I
it
really
didn't
would have
fix
just
it.
left him there to rot.
For
Yeah,
fuck's
you know
sakes,
what Iron
man.
Mike would say about that?
I think it might be a...
See you, Ricky.
I think it might be like a rendering. Is there any like field of view shit? On... I'm not seeing anything. And there's no like... Oh fuck me, now I've done it.
Mic off. Mic on.
Fuck's sakes, now I've done it. Fuck's sakes, I don't know why I can't leave shit alone. Okay, there has to be, is there no field of view or anything here? This is gameplay. Like, There's nothing. There's nothing that I can do here either. VSync? Maybe that's what's fucking it up. I got a good feeling it is. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to pay for gas. It's gonna be so expensive. Oh, and I'm gonna have to pay to get the bike repaired now too. I know how fuel gas stations work. Here we go. Get around the fucking bike. Ron. Ron.
Hey, how's life? Need some gas, Deke? Looks like you could use it.
It's $300, of course
You
it
really
is.
need a lot of fuel.
Yeah, that's how bikes work.
Yeah,
They need fuel.
Good as new.
And of course mine chews through it like it's goddamn barbecue sauce.
Sure. All right. Let me know if you need anything.
I worked at the Humane Society. Let me get the gate for you.
Alright.
This is Radio Free Oregon. The truth shall set you free. This earth is a gift for us all, to use as we see fit, to provide for ourselves and our families. I'm not saying this. It's the Lord that gave us dominion over it. But that wasn't enough for some men. They wanted more. When our fuel got low, they jacked up the prices so they could consolidate power into their own hands. So, we wanted to build dams for electricity. But their precious runs of salmon were more important than heating our homes.
I gotta finish burning out these
Us trees to build those homes. But the nests of a few spotted owls were more important than the entire timber industry. Now that the feds have gone to ground, let's just say we've eliminated the middleman. No one can stop us from taking what's rightfully ours. This is Mark Copeland for Radio Free Oregon. Don't believe the lies.
Thing is, Cope, fuel prices have actually come down lately. Way down. Only problem is you gotta find it yourself, and last I checked...
What the hell? Someone's trapped.
Deke, did you track down Eric Lynch?
Oh yeah, Mike. I found him.
I want to thank you for not killing the man. We're gonna have a trial. We'll get a chance to tell this side.
Why are you fucking red?
Okay, what were you saying?
I want to thank you for not killing the man. We're gonna have a trial. He'll get a chance to tell his side of it.
Yeah, that's great. Yeah, too bad Campbell and... Hey, it's okay. Hey, it's not safe out here in the shit. I know where there's a camp that...
There's a camp. What camp? Show me. Show me where.
Peaceful Lake. Mark Copeland. Safe there.
Thank you.
I fucking hate this conversation. It's so bullshit.
God sent you. I had given up. I was.
Well, you should have. Maybe I wouldn't have fucking been here. Elio. Do.
Hi. Thank you.
Tell him it was Deacon. Deacon St. John. Don't stop. Just keep out of sight.
Deke, heard you tracked down Eric Lynch.
Oh yeah, Mike. I found him.
I want to thank you for not killing the man. We're gonna have a trial. We'll get a chance to tell his side of it.
Oh my god, it's so
Too
good.
bad Campbell and Reed aren't alive to tell their side.
Hey, we got folks that'll be there, speaking on their behalf. And we got witnesses. It's the way we do things, Deke.
Why don't you give him to me for 5 minutes? You'll have a confession.
Thanks. We got it covered. Iron Mike out.
I just paid $300 and the fuel is half gone.
Sounds like Addy. How's the arm?
You know, about 50% there. Sorry, seriously though, it's like I can still feel my right hand, you know?
Well, yeah.
I think they call that phantom pain.
Yeah, that's what I I feel pain, you know, like after flex it. Anyway, I gotta get going. Skizzo's got me on farm duty. Gotta see if I can pay off the damn pain meds that Addy has me on. Later.
Later. Booster, you there?
Yeah,
How you doing, brother?
same as always. Still out there chasing choppers?
Yeah.
Figure out what the hell they're up to yet?
Not a clue. What O'Brien told me seems legit. Nero's out here, or they're running field missions, studying the freaks. No idea why.
Hey, I gotta get going. Skizzo stopped by and said I'd be shoveling shit all day.
Tell Skizzo to eat shit.
Oh my god, why does there need to be a fucking cutscene for me getting on somebody's bike? Like, it's his friend's bike. He's bringing it home to him.
Hey, I brought you something.
Wait, what the fuck? You went up and got my bike?
Well, I didn't want Cope getting it, parting it out.
Jesus, Deke.
Hey, I mean, I mostly did it, you know, in case I need parts. It's not like your gimp ass is gonna need them.
Shit. Thanks, brother. That's the one thing I miss. Riding on the open road.
You can still ride on the open road. Your other arm is just gonna have to, you know, start working out. Actually, no, he can't. It's a right-handed bike, so therefore he cannot ride.
Addie just wanted me to tell you that she
He
paid
could
some men
replace
to go
where
get
the
your bike and bring it back.
throttle is, but
It's over at the mechanic shop.
Oh, wait, what?
You're welcome.
why is there
Ricky out.
2 reb sticks? Or reb knobs. See, yeah, he would need his arm, right arm on this. Why the fuck are the pine cones the size of trees? Okay, I don't know why there's an upstairs. I guess it's cool that I could go up there, but it makes no sense.
Ricky Chris for keeping shit running around here.
Good to see you.
Hey, how's it going?
Okay then. Hey, see ya.
Hey, man. How's life?
Well, it's life.
Busy, huh? That's all I got today.
Deke, a group of men rode in, shot up the gate, and when we wouldn't let them in, they rode off.
Ah, shit. Which direction?
Yeah, they headed west, but they didn't go far. They set up camp just north of Eden Hill.
Mic
They
off.
might be planning another attack, so I need you to take a look.
Okay, right. Yeah.
Mic on.
Thanks,
This
Deke.
thing completely broken.
Looking to buy, Hope. She's looking for some stuff.
Alright, let's go to the butcher shop and sell my 0 food and my 0 shit that I got. Because I don't think I've gotten anything since, like...
That's it.
Hey, I got $12. That was $12 for $20. I just lost money there. Alright, let's get out of this place. Let's make our way to the killing people for no reason place. The fuck is the gate? Fucking back is fucking itchy. 10 points. No, I missed. Fucking course I did.
St. John. This is Mark Copeland at Deacon St. John.
Hey, Cope, what's up?
Wait, what?
Just checking in. Well, my men were up in town opening the mountain the other day. Said they found a safe house set up in an old Forest Service watch tower.
Is that right?
Yes, sir, that's what I'm told. They said it was abandoned, but funny thing, whoever lived there left behind a bike. Good shape, too, by the sound of it.
Really?
Indeed. That's not the funny thing. The
So,
funny thing is they went back up there today to pick it up, but the bike was gone. Now, ain't that a head scratcher?
Okay, Ricky, I'm near Eden Hill. Yeah, Drifter's still here.
Can you handle it?
Well, I guess we'll know soon enough. Deacon out. All right, Jim.
Is that his brother or something?
Come on, boys. Is that all you got?
Well, they're all dead. No, they're not, somehow.
That's the last of them.
Oh, come on. You could do better than that.
Literally John Wick over here.
How many you got left?
Where did he shoot from? Alright, well, I'm not killing them. I'm staying back here while they attract all of the zombies because...
Oh, is that it? Oh, shit. One more.
Where is the last one? Oh, it's a zombie. Oh no, there's still people shooting too.
Okay, I think that's all of them.
Yep, it is. Alright. Wait, did I fail that somehow? Wait, it showed up that I failed some. Oh well. Wait, why is that locked? Nothing else was locked? Okay, then I guess I'm moving on to this. Actually, no. What do I want to move on to? I've never used the bow and arrow. And fuck it. I'm gonna go through this thingy, because anything to help me go faster, even if it's a little bit. Well, not faster, sorry. Less scraps.
St. John.
Hey, Cope, what's up?
Just checking in. A couple of my men were up to the top of O'Leary Mountain the other day. Said they found a safe house set up in an old Forest Service watchtower.
Is that right?
Yes, sir, that's what I'm told. They said it was abandoned, but funny thing, whoever lived there left behind a bike. Good shape, too, by the sound of it.
Really?
Indeed. That's not the funny thing. The funny thing is they went back up there today to pick it up, but the bike was gone. Now, ain't that a head-scratcher?
Look, Cope, this is all really fascinating, but,
Now, hold on. Here's the fascinating part. They swear that old bike, well, it looked a lot like the one Boozer used to ride.
Okay, so let me get this straight, Cope. You guys went up to O'Leary Mountain. You found what you thought was Boozer's bike. And
Where now?
first thing you thought of was, hey, why don't we just go back and steal it?
Salvage, D. Salvage. But no, that was my second thought. My first was, whatever happened to old Boozer? Manny says he hasn't seen him around for some time.
I don't know, Cope. Next time I see him, I'll let him know how much you miss him. St. John out. Okay. Let's enter the radio. Like you know.
Deacon, how'd it go?
It's done. They won't be shooting up any more camps.
Thank God. I'll let Iron Mike know. You know, keep this up and you and Mike are best friends.
Jesus Christ, where did you come from? Really, you guys chased me down from where the dogs were. Sorry, where the fucking zombie was? Like, that's pretty fucking stupid. This place is a literal maze. Stop fucking tiptoeing. No jobs, okay then. Thank you for wasting $30 on gas. Because that's literally what this game is. Alright, I'll go up here, go get some gas, and then go to this place here. Why is it locked? Why is this one blinking? I thought I did this. Wait, I'll go see if there's any more upgrades. There is not, and I'm wasting gas as I speak.
Looking to buy, Hope. Your bike's drained, Deke. Need fuel?
Nope, I'm good. Still can't get any more storage, can't get any fuel storage, still... Wait. Alright, yep, as I thought, a waste of gas. Ow.
Check back later, I guess.
Alright, let's go to that place thingy and go do this so then it
Later,
allows
Deke.
me to do the next mission. Wait, what's that? Oh wait, that's the card thing, isn't it? I just killed people, so I should get,
Oh, what's up, man?
let me get that $20 back.
Wow, too many to count.
That's it for now.
Bye.
Okay, I'm gonna go out this way.
Hold on, I'll get the gate.
Yeah, Addie, what's up?
Stop by the infirmary when you get a chance.
Anything wrong?
No, I just wanted to talk to you.
Yeah, okay.
I just came back from there, thank you. I mean, I just left there, thank you for them telling me once I left.
Deke, you tracked down those boys, shot up the gate, and took off?
Hey, Mike, yeah, I found them and they won't be coming back.
Seems like it's getting worse. The amount of squatters and drifters.
Probably. God damn it.